Why are there not more people talking about making money from home in 2024? This is gonna blow your mind. With the world changing, making money from home has never been easier. Here are 16 proven methods to earn cash in 2024. First up, freelance writing. If you love words, you can get paid to write blogs, articles, or even books. Next, try virtual tutoring. Share your knowledge and help students ace their exams. Got a knack for design? Graphic designing can earn you a pretty penny. Or start an online store. Sell homemade crafts, vintage finds, or even dropship products. Don't forget about renting out your spare room on Airbnb. It's an easy way to earn extra income. And for the tech savvy, coding and web development are hot gigs right now. From managing social media to voiceover work, there's something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these exciting opportunities and make 2024 your year to shine.